Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add a status on Discord. First of all, open up the Discord application on your desktop or mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on the U button at the bottom right and then tap on Add Status right next to your profile avatar at the top left. Now here you can go ahead and add in your status in the text box. You can write down your own message, add an emoji and choose how long the status will display. Go to Clear at the bottom after you are done with your status and then choose the duration, how long your status will appear. After choosing a time period, click on Save at the top right. And after you do that, your friends and servers will now see your updated status whenever they check your profile. Now you know how to add or customize your Discord status to share what you are up to or just have some fun. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.